In this tutorial, we are going to talk about components dependency in VR assembly and how to change it to suit the assembly example you are working with. This is a 3D model of a shaft that has a bearing, a retaining ring to one side, and a spacer on the other side. For the user to remove the bearing, he has to either remove the ring or the spacer. Let's create the assembly system first. From the Interactions menu, select VR Assembly System. Add the spacer component to the diagram, the retaining ring and the bearing. Connect the retaining ring to the bearing, and the spacer to the bearing as well. Notice that the tag All has appeared on the bearing node, meaning that all the previous components, which are the spacer and the ring, need to be removed before removing the bearing, which is not what we want for this example, but let's run the VR experience and see the effect of the All Dependency Mode in an assembly system. As you can see, the retaining ring and the spacer are both highlighted, which means that they can be removed. When removing the retaining ring, the bearing state remains the same, since we need to remove the spacer as well, before being able to remove the bearing as dictated by the assembly diagram. Go back to SimLab Composer and right-click the bearing node, then from the dependency mode, select Any instead of All. Notice that the tag has changed to Any, and the node's color has also changed to gray to make it more distinguished. Run the VR experience. Once the retaining ring is removed, we are able to remove the bearing right away. Similarly, if we put the assembly back together, we can remove the spacer first, then the bearing, without having to remove the retaining ring.